guys, and welcome to my channel. In this video I will be making a wreath for literally nothing. The wreath cost me $1.25 because I had all the materials on hand. So the $1.25 was this iron wreath that I had picked up at Dollar Tree, and then the rest of the supplies I already had on hand at home. The pine cones were from the garden, and one way to prepare them is you can bake them in the oven at 220 for about 20 minutes to half an hour, just to get rid of all the bugs. Then next thing I used was rope, and you can use twine, rope, it doesn't really matter what type of rope, and then hot glue with glue sticks, and and I also used the snow that came from Dollarama. Now I had bought that for a different project, so technically I did not buy it for this project. So the first step is to wrap the rope around the whole wreath. This will give you a bit of a base for gluing the pine cones. Wrapped up with the rope, you want to tie it up to secure it, maybe trim off excess rope if there is any, and then now you can start gluing pine cones. I tried to do it a certain way, but I don't think it really matters. It's like a puzzle putting it together. Just glue the pine cones the way they fit. So as you can see, I left some room in between the large pine cones to fit the smaller ones in, because I did have a lot of smaller pine cones as well. Once I was done gluing everything and the glue had a chance to dry a little bit, I moved on to spraying the snow onto the pine cones. Now you have to shake it constantly in order for it to work properly. there you have it. Super easy, and it looks, I absolutely love the way it looks. So if you like this video, give me a thumbs up. If you're new to my channel, I would be honored if you press the subscribe button and press the notification button so you don't miss out any of the new videos I post. And until next time, have a wonderful day, and thank you so much for watching.